Hey guys, so I have a new offer for a neon parrot. My offer is a neon kitsune, this, and a neon dragon, fly ride. I did not mean to turn around like that, but and a normal dragon, and the last thing is a neon fly ride, pink cat. Anybody willing to do it? I can add after the trade. I can add a rhino and a pig and a hyena if that's fair. So yeah, anybody willing to do that trade? Please, please, please. I'll even give you 10k Bloxburg bucks. Come on, please. It has to be a fair trade now. Please, whoever wants to do it. Nobody will probably want to do it, but whatever.